All right, let me introduce you to like a desk companion, and this thing has a kick. Now, right now, currently, we are playing the demo. There is some software that you could download for it. Now, it does have some functions that you can do. Now, I use it for mostly my clock in here. You can use it as a speaker. It has Bluetooth built in. In the back, I'm gonna show you something in the back. It says on and off. There's an on and off button, connection to charge it, a micro SD card if you want to put your own MP3s, because you could take this as a speaker anywhere pretty much. If you're driving, going to a party or something, you could take this with you, and it's really loud. Right now, currently, we just did an update, so a lot of new demos are coming out, and they're constantly playing, and they're fun if to look at. And not only that, you could build your own pixel art in here too. There's an animation series, and we're gonna take a look at some of the features on it too. Dimming mode, you could go dimming, minus, you could hold down dimming, and then it could do up and then higher on the dimming too. Off, on, and then you could go clock. There's a lot of features with it. A button here, look at that. And not only that, it has RGB lighting in the actual keyboard too. Now, let's go ahead and show you some of the functions on the actual software that you download and what you can do. On the actual application, you got tons of different things you can do. If you go more, you got hundreds of different items you can do on this one. From animation to actually set up your timer, from music, mixture. I like the mixture. Look at this. Look at this stuff in the mixture, right? You have bass, loops, create your own music, to even create your own bass in here if you want, optional. And it's real lightweight, and it's a great gift for anyone that's looking for an extra speaker, something that's eye-catching, a conversational piece. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.